Stop seeing AI as your enemy or as your replacement and start using it as your assistant. In this video, I bring you 5 creative ideas for using artificial intelligence in your language lessons.
We can use AI as a role-play partner. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT to simulate conversations. Students can practice in pairs or individually with the AI to gain confidence and then present their dialogues to the rest of the class. Second suggestion of activity: AI story generator. Create fun stories with artificial intelligence. For example, create a story about an elephant who wanted to go to space. Students need to think about the topic and the exact instruction they give the AI. It can be a lot of fun and the results can be very interesting. I have generated an example about the elephant who wanted to go to space in Spanish and English. If you would like to receive the PowerPoint or PDF, you can send me an email. Activity 3. Generate questions about your story with AI and answer. This is a complementary activity to the previous one, which will help students reinforce new vocabulary and structures. It can be done in pairs or individually. Students must answer questions generated by the AI about their story. You can see next the generated questions about the story about the elephant who wanted to go to space in Spanish and English. This is a great activity that reinforces vocabulary and structures as well as the understanding of the story, and it can be done written or orally. Activity suggestion number 4. Different endings to your story. Students ask the AI to give them 2 ending options for the story they've created. Students have to decide which ending is the best and reason about it. This is a way to boost creative reading and reinforce vocabulary and structures at the same time. In group classes, they can present their final story to the rest of the class. This is a fantastic activity for students to discuss their opinion and justify their reasons. You can see here the 2 endings generated by the artificial intelligence in Spanish and English. Students will need to decide which ending they liked best and why. And we've reached activity suggestion number 5, image description with AI art. AI can create images for students to describe in the past, present or future tenses. The result is often highly creative, a process that students enjoy greatly, and it helps them refine their vocabulary when creating specifications. Do you already use AI in your lessons? Which one from these activities do you like most? Leave me your comments below. I invite you to follow me in my other social media where I share lots of content. All the links are in the description below. And if you've reached this point, thank you for watching the whole video. Please leave me a comment below, press like and share with your friends. See you soon!